Amazon Alexa device what you must have in these days. Alexa is always ready to help. Ask Alexa to play music, answer questions, read the news, check the weather, set alarms, control compatible smart home devices and more. Alexa has skills. With tens of thousands of skills, Alexa is always getting smarter and adding new skills like tracking fitness, playing games and more. Alexa can voice control your smart home, turn on lights, adjust thermostats, lock doors and more, with compatible connected devices. I bought so many things in the last few months are all working together with Alexa. Some of them are like LED lights behind my computer are great. I can change the lights the color anytime I like, just ask Alexa change the color light blue or green. Alexa can start a vacuum or my diffuser with no problem. Or I can ask her to stop the diffuser. I can check camera on the front door to see if any packages arrive for me, and it's so many other things and devices. Why do you can put it together for an easy life? We don't recommend you to buy a very expensive one for beginning, just stick with the cheaper one, see if it's working for you, so if you gonna like it then you can buy the second one or the more expensive one if you think it's worth. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips day by day to find out what's good or bad for you. And if you think this video gives a value or some good information for you, please like the video. What are the bad things about Alexa? Well, the bad things are she's not always gonna listen you for the first time, or maybe she's not gonna give you the right answer. If you Amazon Prime, you shouldn't have any problem otherwise. If you like to listen to Amazon Music or Spotify, you have to pay a subscription, one for Amazon Music and one for Spotify. Anyway, it's a great device to keep around to have in your house and definitely recommended to give a try. Thanks for watching.